A student sent me a message to say that he listened to my videos for 3 times. The first time, only listened to my videos without watching. The second time, watched my videos without reading the subtitles. And the third time, he watched the videos with subtitles. Congratulations, you've got the right way to use my videos. I consider my videos and lessons as a preparation for real conversations. In real conversations, you can't expect that people write every word or sentence in English, Pinyin, or Chinese characters. So, when we practice this language, we should gradually get used to listening to it without subtitles. In my private lessons, even for beginners, I require them to listen to my Chinese words and sentences without Pinyin. If they still can't understand my Chinese after I repeat for 5 times, then I will show them Pinyin. In this way, they can make basic daily conversations after 50 hours of practicing. I think learning result is the only standard to judge whether a learning method is useful or not.
Follow me and learn Chinese.